Page number 149, question number 4. Following balances are taken from the books of SEMA Limited on 31/3/2017. Prepare statement indicating a set of balance sheet as at 31/3/2017 as per Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013. So we have to make a format of balance sheet, a part format, because here we have to show only what's the balance sheet heading, only for asset. Okay, let's make the format. Heading dena balance sheet of SEMA Limited as at 31/3/2017. Now over here we'll have inner column and we'll have the outer column. This is the outer column where you will write as at 31/3/2017 rupees. Then we'll have an inner column, only rupees, and then note number, if any, and then particulars. Now, as you can see over here, there are various accounts given, balances given. Now, what we will do is, we'll start writing the format and we'll keep selecting the amounts from here. जो amount तुम यहाँ पे से select करते हो, उसको tick करते जाना, so that पता चले कहीं कुछ रह तो नहीं गया. Okay? Now, balance sheet heading is assets. इसके अंदर first non-current assets. Non-current asset में fixed assets. A. इसके अंदर first is tangible. Tangible is 5,60,000 inner column. Second is intangible. $1,20,000. Then FITNLO, fixed asset, फिर non-current investments 26,000. C. Long-term loans and advances 22,000. Other non-current assets 18,000. चार्ट है तुम्हारे पास, देखो इसके अंदर क्या आता है. देखा तुम्हें याद नहीं है, तुम्हें देखना पड़ता है. This is what I want कि तुम्हें याद रहना चाहिए. Okay, when you are writing all these things, पहले तो ये बैलेंस शीट तुम्हारे माइंड में फ्लैश होना चाहिए कि कैसा है. इसके बाद when you write, तुम्हारे माइंड में आना चाहिए कि इसके अंदर क्या क्या आता है. That's the right way of learning. तो ऐसा तुमने कर लिया, फिर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इसके अंदर क्या आता है? डिबेंचर डिस्काउंट एंड प्रिलिमिनरी एक्सपेंस, एडवर्टाइजमेंट सस्पेंस. अब याद रहेगा R&D. ओके, Now, which are more than 12 months. Got it? Because non-current, so for a longer period of time. Okay, ये हो गया first. So we draw a line, do the totals. 7,46,000. Next, balance sheet head, main head, sub head. Now, second main head, current assets. CIT CSO, Commissioner of Income Tax घर आके क्या बोल रहा है? Cash show करो. Now, we start with A. Current investments. Current investments are 12,000. Inventories 46,000. Trade receivables 15,800. Rokra cash and cash equivalent 14,000. Short term loans and advances 16,000. Other current asset, इसमें क्या आता है other current asset में? No, सबसे पहले आता है prepaid income. Yes, due but not received. Okay, other current asset यानी हमारा जो normal final accounts के जो adjustments थे, उसके जो effect देते थे asset side पे, वो सब यहाँ पे आएंगे adjustment के second effect. Other current asset is 7,200. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. इसे याद रखना. इसके पहले में क्या था? 2, 3, 4. टोटल करो, फाइनल टोटल 8,57,000 टोटल. That's it. Some more. बहुत ही एक्सट्रीम लेवल का टफ सब था ये. फिर सब करेंगे हम. Page number 149, question 5. Following balances are taken from the books of UR Limited on 31/3/2017. Prepare statement indicating equity and liabilities of balance sheet as at 31/3/2017 as per Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013. Now, just go through this before you start posting it. 1,30,000 equity shares of 5 each. General Reserve Provident Fund, creditors, public deposit, outstanding rent. कहाँ है ये outstanding rent? Very good. Other current liabilities. Provision for tax. Short-term liabilities. Very nice. Other long-term liabilities and temporary loan, that is credit balance. Other long-term liabilities and temporary loan, credit balance. A temporary loan, so it's for a shorter period of time. Okay, let's start. Balance sheet heading, equity and liabilities. First, shareholders fund. Share capital. Now over here, in share capital, we have 1,30,000 equity shares of rupees 5 each. 6,50,000 inner column. Second, reserves and surplus. General reserve. $70,000. Do the total. 7,20,000. Second, non-current liabilities. So third, क्या था हमारा शॉर्ट फॉर्म यहाँ पे? LOL. Okay. So long-term borrowings. What's long-term borrowing over here? Wrong. Public deposit. So over your long-term borrowing में public deposits. Money taken from public for a longer period of time. Inner column 3,26,000. A and B. Okay. Other long-term liabilities. Do we have other long-term liabilities directly given? 15,000. What does this contain? Premium on redemption of debenture, premium on redemption of preference share. Okay. Then long-term, other long-term and long-term provisions. इसके अंदर क्या आता है? Pension fund, gratuity, provident fund. Okay, what do we have over here? Provident fund. $3,60,000. Total 7,01,000.
Yes.
7,01,000. Third, current liabilities. Current is for a shorter period of time. इससे बनता है हमारा STOS, save trees and ourselves. Okay, so short-term borrowings. Short-term borrowing में कुछ है? We take temporary loan. $12,000. Then this A, then B, trade payables, creditors. You can also write in bracket like this, as per the textbook, okay, or like this, as you are comfortable. Trade payable, creditors, 86,000. Other current liabilities. Outstanding rent. Amount is 13,000. And then short-term provisions. Provision for tax, 68,000. That's it. STOS. Total 1,79,000. And the total 16 lakhs. 16 lakhs total.